Hello to my computer-aided drafting students. Welcome to another video of Learn with Red. In today's video, we're going to start drawing our floor plan. This is where we stopped last video. So we're going to use a new layer or ink to draw our floor plan. So here in this is an image. Okay, so let's change that into lot line. Then we don't have yet a layer called building line, so let's make a layer. Let's call it wall exterior. Okay, and let's use white. And let's make a grid line, which is the horizontal and the vertical reference lines. Okay, so a grid line, and we can color it pink. Okay, so that's what we're going to draw first. Okay, vertical line from here, there, and okay, and a vertical line and a horizontal line on the top. So we move it 2 meters down, offset 2 meters, and offset 5 meters down, offset 5 meters down. Okay, so there, so we have those reference line, and 4 meters to the side there. Okay, what we can do is put this behind. Okay, draw order, send to back. Okay, so it's on the back. Okay, let's change our ink to wall exterior. So now we're drawing using the ink, the wall exterior layer. So we make a rectangle. So this is the ground floor wall. Offset 0.1. This is the thickness of the wall there. Okay, and of course we have a column, so we have another layer called column. Okay, let's make it yellow. There, we have to draw using column, and the column ink, a rectangle, 0.2 by 0.4 there, and then let's move it here and move it to the side there, and then on the opposite side. Okay, and there's okay, this one is outside already of the property line. So since our property line given by the owner is 4 meters, so the column must be on this side of the property. Then there's another column here. Okay, so now let's continue making the wall. So let's offset this guideline 1.4 to the right. Offset 1.4 there, and let's draw the toilet there to here. Okay, and then offset by 0.1. 0.1 there. Okay, and there's a 2 meters firewall wall there to support the second floor. Okay, so 2 meters in front. From here, that's 2 meters there, and then let's just copy it to the right. Okay, next we have to make our door. So the first door here is a toilet, and this is a standard door, 0.6 meters wide. Okay, so let's make a new layer called door, light beige, and then let's make it there. Okay, it's very easy to change the colors later on. The only purpose of my choosing the colors here is that it's very visible in the tutorial. Okay, now let's make a door which is 0.6 by 0.05 there, and another door, 1 meter wide door for the main door, 1 by 0.05. Okay. Normally the door has a swing and a jump, so the jump is 0.05 by 0.1, which is a 2 by 4. There. Oops. Okay, and then copy to the other side. And then it swings inside. Okay, so let's bring the door to swing inside. Okay, so let's make a circle for the swing. This is the 0.6. Very easy. You get the diameter and it's really 0.6. There, 0.6 radius. Then another one which is 1 meter swing. Okay, then let's do the polyline for the swing. We started here and let's, okay, you see my line is constrained vertically and horizontally because I click point F8. Let's do that. So it's 0.6, and then let's click A. There, close. And then let's remove this already, and then I make a polyline to 1 meter, and then press A as the arc there, and then click close, and that's the swing. Then let's remove the guideline. Let's make this hidden line. Okay, first we load hidden line. H hidden line. Okay. Okay, so that means this one and this one is hidden line. There. Okay. Let's create this as a block. Block editor, create block. Create block, and let's call this door the 60 centimeter door. Okay, and this door, create block as a D 100 centimeter door. There. Okay. So for the 100 centimeter door, it's offset 0.60, the width of the counter. Okay, 0.6. There. So let's have a copy of this door. Here. Let's cut the wall up to the door using the wall exterior. Yeah, that's the wall, and this is the wall from here. Okay, what? Oh, why don't I do this wall already, and the other wall, and this other wall, and this other wall. And then let's erase already the other walls. Okay, let's erase that, and this one. Okay. The next wall is the next door is this toilet, and I always want a diagonal 45 degrees. This is a space saver for such a small dimension, so that you can go up point 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and in 33 meters, you're already in the second floor. And you have the master's bedroom and the 2 bedrooms, one for the boys and one for the girls. And at the same time, you can enter the toilet. Okay. So let's have a copy of this this door over here. And okay, it's rotated. That means it's open out. It opens outward because it's very tight inside. Okay, let's okay, there it opens here. Okay, what I did was to use rotate, RO, rotate, and then there it rotates. Then I rotated it 45 degrees. Rotate 45 degrees. Okay, it's constrained, so let's click F8 and then say 45. There. It's let's stick this to this wall over here. There. And over here. There. Okay. So now the wall downstairs, the wall here will be here, here, there. Okay, and then close. And then this other wall goes to the right. Okay, this wall goes to the right. Let's offset that 0.1 there, and then let's just move this door out of the way. Okay, what we can do is chamber CHA, chamber it here, and then chamber it. Okay, trim TR. Let's trim it there. And then chamber just to the there. Okay, then that's the new wall. Let's make a layer called window. Window, and the color is yellow green. The window 1.2 5.05. Okay, copy. There. Okay. So let's cut this wall. Wait. This is now a window. There. Okay. And then this is the remaining wall. And then let's revise this wall here. Okay. And then here, this is a sliding door. Let's draw using window layer. And let's make a jump 0.05 by 0.1 there. And the sliding door, one slides to the left and to the right. Let's make the window 0.70. 0.70, 0.05. Okay. And then move it here. And the other one, copy, 0.05 here. Here. And then let's just move this other jump there. Okay, so that means we move everything. Wait. I want to center this. Okay, for example, this is 135. So the center line is, the center line is this one. Okay, let's center it already. Move center there. Okay. So that means I adjust this wall to be only here, and then this one to there. Okay, so that means let's remove the guidelines, and we have there the new floor plan. Okay, the new floor plan there. Dimension, make current. Okay, let's see. Here, this is 1.4, and the new opening, because it's a wider lot, is 2.6. Okay, before it's only 1.95. Then from here, it's 2. Let's bring this here. And then 5. Oops. Sorry. Outside. Okay. Outside to outside. 5. And then we have a carport. Regulation depth of 5. Okay. Then let's keep this later for our doors, windows, and door schedule. This is the ground floor plan, and you can follow me to make a floor plan for the second floor in the next video. Learn with Greg.